everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create holded contact for Webinar Kit registration. Let's suppose I am running a consulting firm which offers professional development webinars. So I am using Webinar Kit to host these webinars and take new registrations. Now I want that whenever a registration happens in Webinar Kit, it is automatically sent to Holded and the contact is created automatically. I can do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Webinar Kit and Holded. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application I will take Webinar Kit where the new registration will happen, and in my action application I will take Holded where the contact will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create contact in Holded on new registrations in Webinar Kit. For this, we are going to create automation between Webinar Kit and Holded with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on the plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, we want to create a new workflow for which we need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create holded contact for Webinar Kit registrant. Now we need to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, we want to create contact in Holded on Webinar Kit registrations, which means as soon as the registrations will happen, this workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Webinar Kit and a trigger event will be new webinar registration. Now we need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Webinar Kit for which a webhook URL is given to us and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Webinar Kit with Pabbly Connect. So here it's written, log into your webinar account, navigate to your webinar, click on the edit webinar, click on other from top, navigate to webhooks, copy the webhook URL above and paste it under registration webhook URL. Click save. So let's open my webinar account. And over here you can see all the webinars that has been created. Here I have to take registrations from Pabbly webinar and here I'll click on edit webinar, click on others and scroll down. Over here I can see the option of webhook. So let's go back to Pabbly and copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now we need to click on save. And webinar has been updated. So let's go back to Pabbly and over here you can see waiting for the webhook response, which means we need to fill a form so as to get the response over here. So let's open our form. So this is the form for registration in Webinar Kit and now let's enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is Smart and my last name is Test User and my email address is smarttest@pabblytudes.com and my phone number is, click on register now. So we have successfully submitted the form. Let's go back to Pabbly and check whether we have received this response or not. Over here you see we have successfully captured this response. The phone number was this. The first name was Smart, the last name was Test User, email address was smarttest@pablitudes.com. So Webinar Kit is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we need to create contact in Holdit, so our action application will be Holdit. And our action event will be create contact. Click on connect, click on add new connection, and now we need to enter API key. So it's written over here, log into your Holdit account. You will get API key from here. So let's click the hyperlink given over here. And from over here, we need to generate a new API key, for which we need to click on new API key. And let's give the description as Smart. Click on save. So a new API key by the name Smart has been generated, and we just need to copy this and simply paste it over here. Click on save. So Holdit is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter these details, which is name, email address, trade name, company, phone, mobile, website. So to enter this, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous step. So I have received all the data in my Webinar Kit. So here I'll just click on Webinar Kit and map the name as Smart, the email address as smarttest@pablitudes.com. I am leaving this field trade name, company ID blank, as it is not required for me to create contact in Holdit. Now I need to enter the phone number. So over here I'll map the phone number as this one. Now I'm going to leave this field blank because it is not required, and select the contact type as lead, and leaving these fields blank because it is not required one. So now I'll simply click on save and send test request. And over here we have received the response successfully. Status is 1, info is created. So now we need to go to our Holdit account and check whether we have received this as a new contact or not. So this is my app dashboard of Holdit, and over here you can see all the options. Here you need to click on contacts. And if you scroll down, over here you can see we have successfully created this by the name Smart. The email address was smarttest@pablitudes.com. The phone number was 7676, this one. And the contact type was lead. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's fill one form again. Let's go back to Webinar Kit form, and over here let's enter some other dummy details. So let's say my first name is current test, and my last name is user, and my email address is currenttest@pablitudes.com, and my phone number is. Click on register now. And we have submitted this form also. Let's go back to Holdit and check whether we have created this contact or not. Let's refresh the page once. And over here you can see we have successfully created this contact also. The name was current test. The email address was currenttesteduser@pablitudes.com. The phone number was this, and the contact type is lead. So to summarize this, we took Webinar Kit as our trigger application, where we made connection of Webinar Kit with Pabbly Connect. We submitted a form and received this response, after which we selected our action application as Holdit, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and mapped these fields. Simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as new contact in our Holdit account. So we have successfully created automation between Webinar Kit and Holdit with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.